What's up, guys? Today we're going to take apart Chris's Ar60 front end that he is going to use on his SMT10 kit. I'm going to show you how to do it. And it ain't that bad at all. So let's grab some tools. That was loud. Alright, 2mm. I'm going to start by taking these C hubs off. Take 2 screws off on both sides. Oh, I love these little screwdrivers. You can get these on Amazon. Any of these. Apex, I think, is what I'm using right here. But, I mean, they're just a kind of a cheap China brand, but you can beat on them. they're only like 12 bucks, 13 bucks, something like that. Come on, I didn't want the axle, I just wanted the C hub. There we go. Nice little C hub. Nice red anodized aluminum. I'm going to take the other one off. Same procedure. Screw on the bottom and a screw on the top. Oh, I just pulled these off of a Wrath that I got today. It was a complete truck. All running, ready to go. Just hook my receiver and remote to. But I had other plans. I didn't even drive it. It hit the bench and became stripped. And it is over there on the other side of the bench, looking at me all sad. Like, why did I do this to me? Why'd you do this to me? It is really rattly. Go back in there. There we go. There. Another nice C-hub. Anodized red. Now we're going to take these C carriers off. I guess that's a good term for them. C carriers, C hub carriers, axle carriers. You know what I'm talking about. Same kind of procedure. Two screws, one on top, one on bottom. Screw is stuck on my screwdriver. Yeah, you have to take the axles out first to get the hubs off, but you might as well just keep your 2mm in your hand and take those two off at the same time. And this one on this side at the same time. That way you're not just jumbling around a bunch of tools. Kind of using the same tool without setting it down. Another screw on the bottom. Look at that, it's got a nice spider diff cover in there. Oh. Oh boy. Reinforcements. Gonna have to dig into the new tools. Got these new bits from Amazon. They're like 15 bucks, 12 bucks, somewhere around there, somewhere around the same as these Apex screwdrivers. Alright, let's see if this one will grab it. Come on. Oh yeah. Oh, you know that feeling, guys. Come on, you don't know. If you don't know that feeling when a stripped bolt comes loose, oh, about ready to get out the torch. It's a good feeling when that comes loose. I 3D print these little handles for these screwdrivers. You can use any bit in it. It just slides on and off. Slides in and out, on and off, however you want to say it. Same difference, technically. Alright. Slide this bad boy out. Actually, we'll push it back in for a minute. That's what she said. These are supposed to be I think 1.5 millimeter screws in here, but they're actually 2.5. Sorry, but somebody has 2 millimeter screw tips in here. I would prefer the ones that actually go in here, which have a little thicker head and a little bit more to grip to when you put the screwdriver in it. They don't strip out as easy. See here, see, like, we already got problems. Square bit on a screwdriver. You just wiggle it, get her down in the hole there. Oh yeah, there's another strip screw that just came loose. Oh yeah. There. And you gotta take these little 4-link carriers off before you take the axle out, because the axle will actually hit the carrier, that 4-link carrier, the screws that are going through the axle. Oh, there's one. Pretty nice. Oh yeah. I don't even think I'll just wipe those down real good, and those are good to go. Like brand new. Cool. Now, I'm going to do the same with this side. We're going to take 4-link carriers off. Oh yeah, see the difference? I've had those screwdrivers for a while, and I think I've worn them in. I'd say buy a new set every year if you don't have a good set already, because they will strip out. The smaller ones, the bigger ones usually don't strip out. It's just the anything lower than the 2 millimeter strip out. You pull the axle out. Nice little axle, nice and brand new, tiny guy. There. The bearings on both ends look good. Look good to me. It seems like these C-hub carriers are kind of wedged on there pretty good. Axial, they anodized the inside of it too. They didn't leave it raw, so there's some powder coat on the inside of this, and that's what's holding that on there, and it had to be forced on. It's not something that needed to happen, but yep, that's what caused that. They should have not done that. But that's why I try to stay away from anodized stuff, because things like that happen. Bearings don't fit right in C-hubs, and you can see the C-hub carrier right there is now stuck on this aluminum because the powder coat is on the inside of it. Oh boy. Oh, we're gonna have to get the new tool out, I guess. We got another strippy. Oh. Then you proceed to take the diff cover off. New screwdriver. Pull this apart. Come on. My wife playing on her phone. It's great.
Can't see me.
Definitely stripped out. Let's see what I got. I don't know.
Did you strip a screw?
Yep.
Haha.
I didn't strip it. It's been stripped.
Oh.
Pre-stripped.
Well, damn. Can't make fun of you now.
No. Thought I had a square bit that would fit inside this hole. Well, that is a pain in the butt. If I angle it just right, maybe grab it. Somebody put that one in there tight. don't know what I'm going to do there. I don't have a bit to fit it. Let's see if I can get a metric to wedge in there. I mean, an American to wedge in there. Ha! Sounded funny. That's probably too big. Yep. 1/16. Try that. Ooh, might be able to, guys. See. Oh boy. If I can tap this in there a little bit. Oh, don't hit the diff cover. It's not even good at scratching it. Nothing. Well, that is not cool at all. Now I am stuck. Stuck. Let's see if we can get Ar60 tool in there. Stripped. Definitely not.
Nope.
Rebel. Joining the club, huh, buddy? Well, that freaking stinks. Usually my square bit technique works, but I usually don't ever have a problem with that small of a screw. What can I do? Maybe if I wedge a toothpick in there next to it or something. Glad this video ain't going live, because this would be a pain in the butt doing this live. And I didn't do that right either. Come on. Let's wedge it in there. Not working, guys. It's not working.
You can get down. 'Cause I gotta get up.
We are stuck. Oh, I don't want to lift this up to try to move that. Get a grip on it. Even the jeweler's pliers can't get it. Wow. No, I ain't gonna get it with these. Don't really want to even attempt it, but no. That ain't coming off. Very easy. Guess we're gonna have to drill it.
Drill it.
Drill.
Drill it.
Really.
You want sponging it?
Sponging it. Try not to hit this cover. I know once we get in there, we'll be able to get it out. 'Cause I've got little vice grips. Come on. Work with me, drill. And we're just going to drill it out slowly. Go very slow so you don't drive the drill bit into your hand. Like I said, I'm very entertaining to watch sometimes. Now I'm going to do it this way. Maybe I'll shatter my table and you guys will get to see that madness. Wow. Not really a fan of these stainless screws anyways. They strip out very easy. That is for sure. I think I just got it. Yeah, I did.
Treat.
Finally broke loose, guys. A little bit of heat, I think, helped that with the drilling. Now I am stuck taking it out with needle nose pliers. But it's coming out. 'Tis it is. Oh, it's Friday night. We ain't doing too much, as you can tell.
When's Harley go live?
Oh, Harley design? I don't know when he should be going live sometime. I'm surprised I don't have a bell going off. I watch him all the time. He's a pretty good guy. Twist this back. I'm actually doing a pretty good job of not scratching the housing of this, guys. So far, so good. It's not perfect, but oh, I think I can get a full turn on it. Oh yeah. What a mess I made here, guys. There, now I think I can just turn it out with my finger. As I cut myself. So for all of you that know, that have followed my channel or seen my videos, I don't have very many. I just started my channel and I'm going to be doing stuff like this all the time. All kinds of RC stuff. Going to have a lot of live streams going on, taking apart cars with friends, hanging out at the desk, just chatting it up, hanging out with my wife. When we go live stream, she's going to be reading our comments. She's going to read all the comments and stuff. It's going to be a fun time. I'm going to try to do Saturday nights or Friday nights. Not quite sure yet. Like I said, the channel's new. New to me, new to everybody in my family. Because it's kind of, when are you recording kind of deal. I don't want to come over and disturb you. So this is all new to everybody. And I'd appreciate the like, the subscribe, and hit the old bell. That way you get notified of when I upload my live videos and have live videos. You'll be able to see all my content. What I'm doing here is I'm taking out the two diff bolts that hold down the bracket that take the diff out. So there's a little piece right there. That goes in and holds the bearing down, which holds the diff tight. And then stuck. Luckily no more strip screws, I hope. Oh, come on. That's why I have two screwdrivers. With the wrong size. This is uncomfortable. Yeah, just do that, rip it off. I have plenty of screws, so it doesn't bother me if I end up junking a screw. There you go, you take the last bracket off, little bracket, 4 little screws, and pull your diff out. This one's a little tight. That's good though. And there it is. Then you can wipe it off with a towel, paper towel, rag. Some diffs will look different than this. This is a Not sure what diff this is. I know it's an AR60 diff, but I don't know the company that makes this one. It is definitely not a stock diff from a stock AR60. So now I'm going to pop this out. This little gear here. Go lightly on the table. Smash. Yeah. Then I'm going to go through everything and take all the bearings and stuff out and just go through it all. Clean it up and get it ready for the SMT kit, guys. And that's how you take apart an AR60 front and rear end. Appreciate you watching, and like and subscribe, smash the bell. Have a good night, guys.